The solution that we are presenting today, Crescendos, is basically an online platform bringing together all musicians. It simply connects any student or a music enthusiast with a professional musician so that he can learn to play what he likes to hear. You can think of it as a one-stop shop that enables everyone to have everything related to music in one place. How it works is that it simply connects anyone with a professional musician through a smart matchmaking system. We have leveraged the power of the digital transformation in order to build an artificial intelligence system that is able to detect, based on the preferences of the user, his likes, his music genres, what he likes to listen to, his location and his music skills and his proficiency level, and basically it connects him with potential relevant musicians. It also connects him with studios and with stores. Based on that, he can choose to take any class or any course he wants. He can take it at home, in a studio or online, and he can also pick the time that is convenient for him. He can also choose to rent an instrument. The prime prospect that we are focusing on is simply school students and university students, the young tech-savvy community who wants more in music. We also focus, on the other hand, on young moms. They are basically very eager to get their kids into more activities, and they want to unleash the full potential of their kids. How do we do that? Our customer acquisition strategy relies on a precision digital marketing approach where we target the right audience at the right time with the right message. We also have a B2B leg where we work with schools and universities in order to enhance and step up their music education offerings. Our market size globally is 30 billion Egyptian pounds. Our serviceable market size out of that is 240 million Egyptian pounds, and we plan by year 3 to have 15 million out of it. Our business model is very simple. We have 3 revenue streams. The commission that is based on every transaction, every class, course, or instrument sale. The second revenue stream is the rent, and the third one is advertisement on our application and on our website. We have a strong competitive landscape. You can basically segment it into 3 buckets. The first one is the music academies. The second one is private lessons. They are usually deemed expensive, but they are very convenient. The third one that is getting very trendy and very popular is all the apps and the YouTube tutorials that basically teaches you a technique or covers a beginner level in a certain instrument like musician, flow key, or guitar tricks. We have also local competitions such as Tafatifi. They have been rebranded lately, and they are targeting online courses and online lessons in between intermediate and advanced levels. What differentiates us versus all other competitors is the network that we have, the scale that we build, on top of all the intellectual property of the AI system that we are building, and we plan later on to invest in augmented reality and immersive reality, and the convenience of being able to have the class wherever you want and whenever you want. Our roadmap is as follows. In July 2020, we have launched our website with online classes available. In December 2020, we are having the launch of the iOS application with all the features related to music education. In March, we plan to have a revamp for our website and launch the Android app. In July 2021, we plan to launch the Musicians Network to get people together so that they can play together, improvise together. And next November, we plan to have the continuous innovation pipeline where we introduce sound recognition and smart listening. You can think of that like the smartwatch that you have, where you can log on runs or steps. You can also log on in the system the music that you play, and it will give you a dashboard that interacts smartly, giving you interactive feedback. Our progress so far is that we have on social media 1.3K followers. We have managed to get 250 registrations and completed 25 classes. We are planning to target 10K downloads of our app with 5,000 subscriptions in the next 2 years. In order to achieve that, our funding needs are 800,000 Egyptian pounds, split as follows: 40% on the platform development, 30% on the talent acquisition and content development, 20% on marketing, and 10% on operational costs. Our financial forecast is built on a 300% ROI in year 3, and we plan to break even in year 2. Our business team is myself, May Rizallah. I'm handling the marketing and I have experience in FMCG for 10 years. Mr. Bibawi is the CTO and he is leading the technical area. He has experience in software development. We have an in-house app development led by Mario, and we have a software engineer working on back-end, Mina. We have freelancers covering design and social media. Thank you very much for your time.